Top 5 Best DSLR Cameras in the USA. Ready to elevate your photography game? Choosing the right DSLR can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 DSLR cameras available in the USA. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, these options deliver unparalleled value and performance. A great DSLR combines excellent image quality, reliable autofocus, and versatile features for photo and video needs. We'll discuss cameras with cutting-edge tech, from sharp image sensors to 4K recording. Plus, you'll get insights on durability, battery life, and lens compatibility. 1. Canon EOS R5, known for stunning 45MP resolution and 8K recording, perfect for pros. 2. Nikon D850, ideal for detail-rich landscape shots with its 45.7MP sensor. 3. Sony Alpha, a 99.2, a hybrid marvel, balancing speed and precision. 4. Canon EOS 90D, quality and affordability in a seamless package. 5. Pentax K1, Mark II, rugged build, great for outdoor photography fans. Your choice depends on your goals. Need professional-level quality? Go for the Canon EOS R5. On a budget or starting out? Check out the Canon EOS 90D. Each option caters to different needs, ensuring there's a perfect match for everyone. Feeling inspired? Dive deeper into our reviews and find the right DSLR for you today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights, photography tips, and gear recommendations. Let's make your creative journey unstoppable. Start capturing life's best moments with the right DSLR.